talk to your mom like that, bitch ass nigga. Now, you being quiet now? Who the fuck was saying something? That's what I want to know. Flat out. Alright.
You can't do your job.
Alright, then don't say shit else, bitch ass nigga.
So we supposed to just wait? Y'all not even doing y'all job.
Because this bitch is stupid. Because this bitch is stupid. Everybody late because this bitch is stupid. You a stupid bitch. You're a stupid bitch. You're an old ass stupid bitch. You stupid bitch.
How is she doing her job and we waiting and we
I didn't do anything wrong with standing here. I don't give a fuck about this in their emotion. Tell the bitch to drive.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not saying sorry to this bitch. Fuck you.
No, it's a blue line. Oh, man.
Everybody's late right now. She's going through menopause. Everybody's late right now. She tripped, boy. How many people standing here all day?
Police is coming.
I moved out of
Everybody
shit.
move to the back.
I still think like, I really don't have time. I don't have time.
You guys are fine. You didn't do anything.
I stood in her rearview mirror. She asked me to move. I stepped to the side. Oh, I have to go to work.
Even he retreats.
I have to go to work. I don't have time for this emotional shit. Fuck you. Have a nice day, too.